T2Viewer, a visualization system for the oriented projective plane implemented under CGAL. CGAL is a library of computational geometry algorithms developed by a consortium of universities. At Unicamp, CGAL has been extended in order to allow for the implementation of geometric algorithms in the oriented projective plane, henceforth referred to as T2. T2Viewer was developed as a visualization system for display and interaction with such algorithms. T2Viewer can display both the planar model and the spherical model of T2. Let us begin by viewing both models while displaying a simple planar triangulation. T2Viewer allows several display enhancements. Here we see continuous opacity variation and orbiting. Notice that the real-time nature of the display benefits from the use of the OpenGL library and commonplace hardware graphics acceleration. The viewer can also be used to scale all objects up and down, bringing into view the global picture as well as detailed parts. Hiding the planar model, consider a set of points on the front range of T2, and let us draw the nearest neighbor Voronoi diagram, cropped into one hemisphere. Bringing the planar model back into view, we can easily see the correspondence between the geometric constructions on the two models. When we modify the opacity of the spherical model, we can also see both ranges. However, we can also get closer to either model by zooming in this case to the point of crossing the boundary of the sphere all the way to its center. In order to see more broadly, we can enlarge the field of view up to 120 degrees. Being at the center of projection of the spherical model as we orbit in the vicinity of the origin, one can clearly perceive that the models are precisely superimposed. Taking now a set of sights on both ranges of the oriented projective plane, let us construct its Voronoi diagram and at the same time display its dual. To reduce the clutter, we reduce the transparency of the model. We have found that T2Viewer greatly improves the understanding of the two-dimensional oriented projective geometry, while allowing for the visualization of the geometric algorithms extended to T2 under CGAL. This system has been developed in C++ for Linux.